Imagine a world where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool you ask questions, but a companion that truly understands your environment, remembers your needs, and helps you seamlessly both online and in the physical world. This vision is rapidly becoming reality through Google DeepMind's Astra project, a groundbreaking initiative revealed in 2024, and now pushing the boundaries of what it means to have an AI assistant by your side. Astra is not just another incremental upgrade in the world of AI. It represents Google's bold leap toward embodied, real-time AI agents, systems that can see, understand, and act within the real world, not just on a screen or in a chat window. Unveiled at Google I/O 2024 and enhanced throughout the following year, Astra is now at the forefront of a new era for artificial intelligence, the era of universal, context-aware, and truly interactive AI. At its core, Astra is designed to be a universal AI agent. This means it can process and respond to a vast array of sensory inputs, from visual and auditory signals to text and spatial information. Imagine standing in your living room, asking Astra where you left your glasses, and having it not only recall the last time it saw them, but also guide you to their location, using its memory and spatial reasoning. Or picture Astra watching over your home environment, identifying objects in real time, recalling previous interactions with you, and understanding what you need, sometimes even before you ask. Astra's architecture brings together several key technologies. First and foremost are large language models, such as Google's Gemini 2.0, which empower Astra to process natural language with remarkable fluency. Whether you're speaking English, Spanish, or another language, Astra can understand your requests, cope with diverse accents, and even interpret uncommon words, thanks to its advanced dialogue capabilities. But Astra isn't just about language, it's multimodal. It combines computer vision, allowing it to see and interpret the world, with sensory motor control for interacting with devices and robotics, and reinforcement learning to develop and refine its abilities autonomously. This combination of technologies enables Astra to do more than simply chat. Its memory and recall functionality, for instance, is a major step forward. Unlike traditional assistants that forget context the moment a conversation ends, Astra can remember up to 10 minutes of in-session information, and this capacity is expected to grow. This means Astra can recall what you discussed earlier, remember where it last saw certain objects, and even pick up conversations where you left off. One of the most compelling demonstrations of Astra's capabilities took place during Google I/O 2024. In this live showcase, Astra was seen responding to natural spoken commands, identifying and describing objects in real time, and even explaining the reasoning behind its actions. The assistant could understand complex, context-rich queries, like, "What's the weather going to be like when I leave for work? And did I leave my umbrella by the door?" And respond by combining information from multiple sources, including its own memory and Google's vast knowledge base. Astra's multimodal perception is another transformative feature. It seamlessly integrates inputs from cameras, microphones, and other sensors, allowing it to process video, audio, text, and spatial data simultaneously. This is what enables Astra to see the world, not just hear or read about it. Whether it's identifying a specific book on your shelf, recognizing the sound of your dog barking, or interpreting a handwritten note, Astra can bring together different types of information to create a richer understanding of your environment. Perhaps the most exciting aspect of Astra is its embodied intelligence. Unlike previous virtual assistants, which were limited to digital interactions, Astra is built to operate in the real world. It can navigate physical spaces, control smart devices, and even interact with robots. In the home, this could mean Astra guiding a robot vacuum to clean under the couch, reminding you to water your plants, or helping someone with visual impairments by describing their surroundings and alerting them to hazards. Astra's ability to link abstract knowledge to the physical world, known as grounded reasoning, opens up countless possibilities. For example, if you ask Astra to help you find your car keys, it doesn't just search through digital reminders. It can use its visual memory and spatial awareness to recall where it last saw the keys, describe the location, and guide you there. This deep integration of perception, memory, and reasoning brings AI assistants closer than ever to the kind of intuitive, helpful companions imagined in science fiction. The advances don't stop at home. Google is also making Astra available across a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to wearable technologies like smart glasses. As of August 2025, Astra is being tested with select users, with plans to expand its reach and provide a seamless, consistent experience wherever you go. Imagine walking through a city with smart glasses on, and Astra quietly providing directions, translating signs, or alerting you to a friend nearby, all in real time and all tailored to your preferences and past interactions. Astra's memory function is particularly noteworthy. The assistant's ability to retain up to 10 minutes of context within a session means your interactions can be more natural and continuous. You can start a conversation on one device, move to another, and pick up right where you left off. This kind of persistent cross-device memory makes Astra feel less like a gadget and more like a genuine partner in your daily life. Of course, the power of Astra comes from its integration with the broader Google ecosystem. With access to tools like Google Search, Maps, and Lens, Astra can answer complex questions, provide highly relevant information, and even help you navigate the world. Need to find the quickest route to a new restaurant? Astra can pull up directions, check the traffic, and suggest the best time to leave, all while considering your personal schedule and preferences. But Astra isn't just about convenience. Its potential applications span a wide range of fields, from accessibility and education to robotics and beyond. For people with visual impairments, Astra could serve as an ever-present guide, describing environments and helping to navigate unfamiliar spaces. In education, Astra could become a personalized tutor, adapting its teaching style to each student's needs and remembering progress over time. In robotics, Astra could power autonomous agents that perform complex tasks, whether in the home, in factories, or in public spaces. The journey toward Astra's current capabilities has been marked by rapid innovation. The integration of Gemini 2.0 in December 2024 represented a major leap forward, giving Astra enhanced dialogue abilities and a deeper understanding of language nuances. This upgrade also improved its ability to converse in multiple languages, making it more accessible to users around the world. The addition of tools like Google Lens and expanded memory functions further strengthened Astra's versatility. As Google continues to refine Astra, the company is keenly aware of the need for safety and reliability. The goal is not just to build an assistant that is powerful, but one that is trustworthy, ethical, and aligns with users' values and needs. Astra is built with robust privacy protections, giving users control over what information is stored and how it is used. Google's commitment to responsible AI development is evident in Astra's transparent reasoning capabilities, which allow users to understand how the assistant arrives at its conclusions. The implications of Astra's ongoing development are profound. As AI agents like Astra become more capable and more widely available, they are poised to transform how we interact with technology and with each other. Imagine workplaces where Astra-powered agents help organize projects, automate routine tasks, and facilitate collaboration across teams and time zones. Or picture healthcare settings where Astra assistants monitor patient environments, remind caregivers of critical tasks, and provide context-sensitive support. Astra is also part of Google DeepMind's broader ambition to achieve artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This means building AI systems that can learn across domains, generalize knowledge, and safely and reliably help humans in the real world. While AGI remains a distant goal, Astra's progress marks a significant milestone on the path toward more flexible, capable, and human-like artificial intelligence. Looking ahead, the roadmap for Astra is ambitious. Google plans to continue expanding its availability, integrating it with more devices and services, and refining its abilities based on feedback from real-world users. As the assistant becomes more adept at understanding, remembering, and reasoning about the world, it will move ever closer to the ideal of a universal AI agent, a partner that augments human intelligence, supports our goals, and enriches our lives. In summary, Google DeepMind's Astra project stands at the cutting edge of artificial intelligence. With its powerful combination of multimodal perception, memory, and recall, grounded reasoning, and embodied intelligence, Astra is redefining what it means to have an AI assistant. As it continues to evolve, Astra promises to make our interactions with technology more natural, helpful, and human, paving the way for a future where AI is not just a tool, but a true companion in both our digital and physical worlds.